Hello guys, I'm Saravanan. Today I'm going to give you a live demo on how to measure the distance from an object using ultrasonic sensor and Arduino microcontroller, and I'll also show you that how to modify it to use it as a counter which counts the number of objects that crosses its path. So let's get into this demo. First of all, I'll show you the ultrasonic sensor. Now take a closer look and see. It has 4 pins: VCC, trigger, echo and ground. You can also see this little chamber. It has the piezoelectric crystal which produces the ultrasonic waves. This is the transmitter and this one is the receiver. It receives the reflected ultrasonic waves from the object that is in a few meter distance. Now let's take a look at the sensor diagram. VCC pin receives the power from the Arduino, and then this power is used to trigger this pin to excite the piezoelectric crystal inside this chamber to produce the ultrasonic waves, which travels all the way till the obstacle, and they get reflected from the obstacle and it reaches the receiver in the sensor, which sets the echo pin of the sensor high. This is the circuit diagram of our project. Now let me explain the components we used in this project one by one. This is the ultrasonic sensor we used in this project. You can take a look. And I have used this multimeter as an obstacle. We have used this setup to work both for distance warning alarm as well as a counter. This counter will count the number of times the obstacle crosses its path. This will be counted as 1 and this will be counted as 2 and so on. Now what this distance warning alarm does is, when I take this obstacle closer to the sensor and when the distance between the obstacle and the sensor is less than 10 cm, it triggers a warning by turning on the LED, which is right here. This is our project code. We have written this in an Arduino IDE. Now I'm going to upload this code into the Arduino. If I open the serial monitor, it shows the measurements. Let's see what it is. I placed the object 20 cm away from the ultrasonic sensor, as you can see. If I want the setup to work as a counter, I should press this button. As you can see, it's counting from 0. If the object crosses the sensor's path, it's going to increment the count by 1. Now before placing the object, you can see the count is initially set to 0. Now I'm going to place this object in the sensor's path. It's been changed to 1. Now 2, 3, 4, and it basically goes on forever. If you want the setup to work as a distance warning alarm, you should press this button. Now it's working in the distance measurement mode. As I already told you, I have placed this object 20 cm away from the sensor. Now I'm going to take this object closer to the sensor. 17, 16, 15. Once this crosses the 10 cm mark, it will turn on the LED as an indicator of the object is getting too closer to the sensor. If I take the object away from the sensor, LED will be turned off. Let's discuss its applications. This ultrasonic sensor can detect the reflected signals from an object from a maximum distance of 4 meters. So using this, we can make a smart dustbin which opens and closes automatically when a person comes closer to trash it.